first step is to locate your BE file. My BE file is located on my USB drive, so I just have to navigate to the USB by opening File Explorer and clicking on my USB drive. To open the design, I double-click on the BE file. As you can see here, the file is opening with an app that isn't what I want, or maybe for you, it's not opening with anything at all. This happens when your file associations are not set correctly. To fix this, we're going to start by closing the application it may have opened, and then right-clicking on the BE file. Then hover over Open With and you'll see a list of apps that can open this file. If Embrilliance, or Embroidery System as it appears here, doesn't appear on your list like mine, try clicking on Choose Another App. Scroll through these apps until you find Embroidery System. If it's still not visible here, you can click Choose Another App on my PC and browse for the program manually. For Embrilliance, click on the Brighten Leap folder. Then click the Embrilliance folder. Now search for embroidery.exe. Click it once to select it, then click Open. Now you should be able to select Embrilliance or Embroidery System from the list of apps. If you want to open your BE file just this once with Embrilliance, select just once. However, if you'd like to make Embrilliance the default application for opening your BE files, select Always. So as you can see here, it has opened our BE file with Embrilliance. To make sure that our BE files are always set to open with Embrilliance, let's close the program and double-click it again. And there you go, we can see that BE files are now opening by default with Embrilliance. So that's it. With just a few clicks, you've reassociated your embroidery files with the correct software.